Okay, this video is going to be the first of a 3-part lesson that you're going to work on individually today. If at any point in this lesson you're confused, first try and work through the problem yourself. If you really can't figure it out, raise your hand and I will come and help you through the video. So what you're going to be working on today is reading a nonfiction article about Malcolm X. You're going to be answering multiple choice questions in addition to constructing a short answer response. What I want you to do today is read a nonfiction article, learn how to answer multiple choice questions in an efficient and effective way, and learn how to use the RACE method of writing to ensure your responses meet the criteria expected of you. So before you go to read an article and you know going forward that you're expected to answer questions or create a constructed response, the first thing you should be doing is looking at the questions prior to reading. This is a good test-taking tip as well as just a general good practice as a student. The reason you look at questions before is to help you focus while you're reading, to ensure that you're only looking for the answers that you need rather than just reading the article and being overwhelmed by all the information and not knowing what to do with it later. So I've provided the 5 questions that you're going to be expected to answer, and I'm going to provide an explanation of what each question is asking you to do. The first multiple choice question is, which 2 of the following sentences describe the main idea of the article? The main idea is what the entire article is about. So you need to go through the 4 sentences that they provide you and select the best option. Okay, so you need to correctly identify what the article is generally talking about and then decide which 2 answers best show that idea. The second question you're going to answer is, which statement best summarizes the section from Omaha to Michigan? A summary is the general gist of what an article or a summary or a reading is about. So this question means you need to carefully read the section from Omaha to Michigan and try to decide what purpose of incorporating this passage was. And then you're going to go, why is this important to me to read? And this is going to help you decide the best answer. The third question you're going to read and answer is, overall, the article about Malcolm X is organized around. This means, in general, what is the entire message of the article? What is the whole purpose for creating this article? This is going to be a very generalized answer, meaning it's not going to have specific details. It's going to be able to encompass the whole article and umbrella all the events that are discussed. So the key part of this question is you need to look for an answer that is not specific, that is more general. The fourth multiple choice question is, you need to read 2 paragraphs that are provided for you from the section Nation of Islam. Then you need to decide which answer would describe the organizational structure of the paragraphs. So it's not asking you to say what the paragraphs are about. It's asking you to tell how the paragraphs are organized. And you should remember text structure when you did informational text and writing with Mrs. Waskowitz. So you're looking for, how is each paragraph organized? Is it a comparison? Is it giving similar and different ideas? Is it being presented in sequential or chronological order? Is it presenting a problem or solution? How are the paragraphs organized? Finally, you are going to be expected to write an open-ended response. The question is, pick a detail from this article and explain how it helps you understand the bigger ideas in the article. This is going to be different for everyone. So all of us are going to pick a different detail, which is the beauty of this question, that there is no wrong answer. However, you need to explain your answer as fully and detailed as possible. So you need to, 1, explain what the overall idea is of the article and provide a reference from the text. And then you need to explain one specific detail and how that detail helps you understand what you explain in the first part. So from this video, what you're going to do is you're going to click the article link. It's Malcolm X. It's titled Malcolm X. However, if you would like the article read to you, you need to get the extension Speak It, and then what you will do is highlight the text and it'll read the text to you. If it's something you're interested in and you can't figure out how to get it on your own, raise your hand and I will help you.